Deadmau5's impressive car collection. Canadian electronic music producer Deadmau5, known for his iconic mouse head helmet, boasts an impressive collection of luxury and high-performance cars. His passion for automobiles is well documented, with a fleet that showcases his eclectic taste and appreciation for unique vehicles. Number 5. Porsche 911 GT3 RS. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS stands as a pinnacle of automotive engineering, blending extreme performance with track-focused dynamics. At its heart lies a high-revving, naturally aspirated flat-six engine, meticulously crafted to deliver exhilarating power and responsiveness. Its lightweight construction, optimized through extensive use of carbon fiber and lightweight materials, enhances agility and ensures razor-sharp handling through corners. Every aspect of the GT3 RS is honed for performance, from its aerodynamically optimized bodywork, which generates substantial downforce at high speeds, to its finely tuned suspension system that balances comfort with precision on both road and track. Inside, the cockpit exudes a racing-inspired ethos, featuring supportive bucket seats, Alcantara upholstery, and minimalistic controls focused on the driving experience. The GT3 RS isn't just a car. It's a testament to Porsche's commitment to motorsport heritage and engineering excellence. Whether tearing up a circuit or carving through mountain roads, it epitomizes the thrill of driving and remains a cherished icon among automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Number 4. McLaren P1. Deadmau5's McLaren P1 stands as a symbol of automotive innovation and performance, blending cutting-edge hybrid technology with staggering speed. At its heart lies a potent twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V8 engine, meticulously engineered to produce over 900 horsepower, paired seamlessly with an electric motor that further enhances acceleration and efficiency. This hybrid hypercar's performance is nothing short of awe-inspiring, with a 0 to 60th sprint taking just over 2.5 seconds and a top speed electronically limited to 217 miles per hour, showcasing its prowess on both road and track. The advanced aerodynamics, including active aerodynamic elements and a lightweight carbon fiber construction, contribute to exceptional agility and stability at high speeds. Inside the McLaren P1, the cockpit is a blend of luxury and purposeful design, featuring premium materials, racing-inspired seats, and state-of-the-art technology interfaces that cater to both driver and passenger comfort. Every detail, from the adjustable suspension settings to the driver-centric controls and advanced telemetry systems, underscores the P1's dedication to delivering an unparalleled driving experience. As a hybrid hypercar, the McLaren P1 not only pushes the boundaries of performance, but also emphasizes environmental responsibility with its ability to operate on electric power alone for short distances. It represents Deadmau5's passion for cutting-edge automotive engineering and his penchant for vehicles that marry technology with uncompromising speed and style. Number 3. Lamborghini Huracan. Adding to his impressive collection, Deadmau5's Lamborghini Huracan embodies the essence of Italian automotive passion and performance. This supercar is defined by its striking design, characterized by sharp angles, aerodynamic sculpting, and signature Lamborghini styling cues that ensure it commands attention wherever it goes. Underneath its dramatic exterior lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower to all four wheels through a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. The Huracan accelerates with ferocity, reaching 0 to 60th in just over 3 seconds, accompanied by a spine-tingling exhaust note that amplifies the driving experience. Precision engineering extends beyond its powertrain, with advanced aerodynamics that enhance stability at high speeds and provide confidence-inspiring handling through tight corners. Inside the cockpit, the Huracan blends luxurious materials with cutting-edge technology, featuring a driver-focused layout that emphasizes control and comfort. Whether cruising along city streets or tearing up a racetrack, the Lamborghini Huracan embodies Deadmau5's appreciation for automotive excellence and his affinity for cars that deliver both exhilarating performance and unmistakable style. It stands as a testament to Lamborghini's legacy of pushing the boundaries of supercar design and engineering, making it a prized addition to any enthusiast's collection. Number 2. Borealis, the Lamborghini Huracan. One of the standout gems in Deadmau5's collection is his custom-wrapped Lamborghini Huracan, affectionately named Borealis, the Lamborghini Huracan. This striking creation pays homage to the iconic Nyan Cat internet meme, blending automotive artistry with internet culture in a visually captivating way. The exterior of the Lamborghini Huracan features a vibrant and colorful wrap that depicts the whimsical Nyan Cat flying through a starry sky, complete with its trademark rainbow trail. This custom design transforms the Huracan into a rolling work of art, turning heads and sparking conversations wherever it goes. Beneath its eye-catching exterior, the Lamborghini Huracan retains the formidable performance of the standard Huracan, powered by a potent V10 engine that delivers exhilarating acceleration and a symphony of exhaust notes that echo its racing pedigree. The car's dynamic handling and advanced aerodynamics ensure that it not only looks spectacular, but also performs with precision and agility on both road and track. Inside, the cabin of the Lamborghini Huracan maintains the luxury and technology expected from Lamborghini, complemented by personalized touches that reflect Deadmau5's unique style and personality. Every detail, from the customized interior accents to the advanced infotainment system, contributes to an immersive driving experience that matches the car's bold exterior. Beyond being a high-performance supercar, the Lamborghini Huracan stands as a testament to Deadmau5's creativity and passion for automotive customization, bridging the gap between traditional automotive design and contemporary pop culture. It's a true manifestation of his love for pushing boundaries and creating something truly unique in the world of supercars. Number 1. Ferrari 458 Italia. Among Deadmau5's notable past acquisitions was the Ferrari 458 Italia, a mid-engine sports car that epitomizes Ferrari's commitment to performance and elegance. The 458 Italia is celebrated for its stunning design, characterized by smooth curves, aerodynamic efficiency, and meticulous attention to detail that enhances both aesthetics and performance. At the heart of the 458 Italia lies a 4.5-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, renowned for its responsiveness and exhilarating sound. This engine delivers over 550 horsepower, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3.4 seconds, showcasing its formidable acceleration capabilities and dynamic performance on both road and track. Technological innovations abound in the 458 Italia, including Ferrari's advanced aerodynamic solutions, which optimize airflow for improved downforce and stability at high speeds. The car's dual-clutch transmission ensures lightning-fast gear changes, while its precise handling and cornering prowess make it a joy to drive even on challenging roads. Inside, the Ferrari 458 Italia blends luxurious craftsmanship with driver-focused ergonomics, featuring premium materials, intuitive controls, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems that enhance comfort and connectivity during spirited drives. For Deadmau5, the Ferrari 458 Italia represents more than just a high-performance sports car. It embodies Ferrari's racing pedigree and his passion for vehicles that deliver an exhilarating driving experience wrapped in a package of Italian automotive excellence and style. Conclusion: Deadmau5's car collection is a testament to his love for automotive craftsmanship and performance. Each vehicle in his fleet represents not only speed and luxury, but also a reflection of his personality and creativity, making his collection a source of fascination for both music and car enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.